and welcome back to Josh and Babe. My name is Babe, also known as the Sandwich Queen. Today, we're making a green chili chicken sandwich. Let's get into it. Chili chicken sandwich, and it's gonna have whipped cream cheese, green chilies, bacon, some Cajun Slap Your Mama, Uncle Steve's Original. We have a chicken thigh and some loaf bread. It's gonna be delicious. We're gonna barbecue this chicken, make up a yummy mixture, and put it all together. Okay, so before we go out to the barbecue, I'm gonna go ahead and put on this Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning. I want it to be like a blackened chicken breast. So we're going to grill it up on the gas grill, and then we're going to fire it so it has some char on it. But if you're doing a technical blackened chicken breast, you would do it in a cast iron. I just think this will taste better.
It's a cold, stormy day today. That's why we're doing a lot of stuff inside. But today, we're going to be using the Monument Grill's Denali 405, one of two of our Monument Grills. And we're going to grill that chicken off real fast, and then we're going to go back inside.
Dark and stormy.
Yeah, it is.
Perfect day for a barbecue. I have my chicken thigh, and I'm just gonna put it right on here on my Monument grill.
You're making some extra chicken in case the power goes out and we starve to death?
Yes.
Yeah. Good thing we have a lot of charcoal and propane and 12 barbecues.
Yeah. We'll be good to go.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's let that go.
That's the special baby right there.
All right, so we got our chicken breast on the grill, and now I'm gonna make our little saucy thing that I'm gonna put on there, our spread, I will call it. So I just kind of made it up and was taking some ingredients that we had, and it sounded good, and we love green chili. So I'm doing some cream cheese spread. I'm gonna do chopped green chilies, a little bacon, because why not? And then we're gonna add in some of the Uncle Steve's Original for that extra punch of flavor. Now, you wanna only make as much as you're going to use, so we're just making one sandwich. I'll probably use about 3 tablespoons of cream cheese, and I'll use probably 2 tablespoons of green chilies, and then I'll just throw in some bacon and some seasoning to your liking. So we have our cream cheese. We're gonna put some green chilies in there. Green chilies really don't have a ton of flavor, but they make a ton of flavor for some reason. We love them. We're gonna mix that up so it's nice and easy to spread on there. I used whipped cream cheese. If you just use a regular block of cream cheese, you can also heat it up a bit so it's a little more spreadable. Got some Uncle Steve's in there. Can never go wrong adding Uncle Steve's. Ooh. Finish off with some bacon bits. So as soon as our chicken's done, we will get everything put together and give it a go. So we're gonna cut our loaf. I just cut a little piece off. That's just perfect sandwich size for Josh and I to share. I'm gonna butter this up, and then I'm gonna put this on the grill face down and get it toasty. You know what, I forgot the most important part. The cheese. That's an ingredient you need to add in. Okay, so we're almost ready to put our sandwich together, but we first have to say thank you to our top tier channel members. We couldn't do it without you. We appreciate you for sticking with us. We know the last couple of years we haven't been going as hard, but we still love you. We thank you for still loving us, and we promise to get back to it eventually. All right, so we are good. We want to be at 165 for our chickies. That one might need a minute longer, but everything else looks good. This one, we got a little ways to go. All right, let's put our provolone cheese on. I think I might throw one more chicken breast on there because I went a little big on the bread size. But that's okay. Double the fun. Oh yeah. That looks like a delicious restaurant quality sandwich.
You haven't even built it yet.
Well, I just know. Alrighty, are you ready to build this thing? This is gonna be absolutely delicious. I should be like famous in the stoner community, even though I am not a stoner. Because I come up
You have
with
a YouTube channel called The Sandwich Queen.
I do. I come up with some epic stuff, babe.
Yeah.
I really do. This is gonna be a flavor explosion in my mouth.
Because you've been sampling, going at it. Mm-hmm. Mm. Now it makes you happy.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. The barbecue makes all the difference because it's char grilled basically. And then the green chilies, the cream cheese to make it soft and creamy, the seasoning, and that balsamic just topped it all off. Michelin star. Right here. Wow. Try it. You won't regret it. Your turn. Are you excited?
This is your creation.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I have a napkin.
Who needs napkins? What do you think?
I like that cream cheese with the green chili. That was really good.
What do you think about balsamic? I know you're not a big fan of balsamic.
It's actually good because balsamic is super like tangy, and it goes good with the cream cheese. Mm-hmm. And then the provolone has its own little, twang.
Yeah.
Mm. Oh.
Is it actually good?
It's actually pretty good. Mm. A little more of that cream cheese mix.
It's yummy, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Cream cheese makes everything better.
Good job, babe.
Thanks, babe.